special gift. Grant went Christmas shopping with his mother. He was hoping that he would get a glimpse of the robot toy that he wanted so badly for Christmas. But he was deeply hurt as the toy had been sold. Grant said sadly, "My toy is gone." "What toy?" asked Mother. "The robot," said Grant. Mother smiled and said, "Maybe next time." Grant nodded his head and both went home. On Christmas morning, Grant forgot all about the toy the moment he saw the gifts under the tree. Grant said, "Look at all the gifts under the tray. It looks like Santa Claus is here." "Oh," winked Grant's father to his mother. "And he even left a special gift for you." Grant tore the wrapping from the parcel. He was shocked when he saw his robot toy in the box. "Well," laughed Grant's father. "Merry Christmas, son." Grant was speechless. He had tears in his eyes. Wonderful doll. Once there was a poor family. One day, the girl saw a rich girl in a toy shop. Her father bought her a big doll. The girl felt sad because she did not have a single toy to play with. Her mother noticed her crying but did not say anything. Now, her father was a carpenter. So her mother told him to make a doll for her. On Christmas, father gave her the doll. It was a beautiful wooden doll. The girl saw the doll and smiled. But she was not that much happy, for she wanted a fancy doll. Something that was soft and cuddly. Just then, she saw that her father's hand was hurt. She understood that her father had hurt his hand while making a doll for her. She went up to him at once and said lovingly, "Father, this is the most wonderful doll ever. I will always cherish it." Changed father. On Christmas, the children decided to play a game. Now, they decided not to invite Amber to play. Everyone gathered in a circle except for Amber, who was standing in the corner. They said, "We will not let Amber play. Her father is not good. He is always drunk." Amber was very upset at these words. She ran home crying. In the evening, her father returned home from work. He noticed that Amber was sad and asked her what had happened. She told him about the unpleasant incident. This made Amber's father feel very sad. After dinner, father heard a soft voice from the garden. He saw Amber praying to God to help her father get rid of his bad habit. Father was so touched by Amber's prayer that he vowed never to drink again. Amber thanked God, for he had heard her prayers. It turned out to be the best Christmas. The Real Snowman. It was a cold Christmas day. Two friends decided to build a snowman. One said, "Imagine if our snowman comes to life." "It would never happen," said the other. After making the snowman, they played with it and then went home. This is when something strange happened. A light flashed in the sky and struck the snowman. The snowman came to life. When the two friends came to play again, they found the snowman had changed his position. They were shocked. One said, "Our snowman has come to life." The elated friends came to play with the snowman every day. But one fine day, when they came, they could not see the snowman. The friends realized that their snowman had melted. They felt bad. But now, every year, the two friends built a new snowman. They had a new friend to play with until the warm sun started to shine.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.